In this video, I'm going to show you how, by selecting the correct projector screen, you can do some pretty remarkable projection and achieve results that most people actually believe are in fact impossible to achieve. So we're in a workshop here. It's the roof, you get an idea. Some lights on the side here. So it's what I would describe as a reasonably lit environment. It's not bright at this end of the workshop, and I want to just give you a reference point first, and then I'm going to show you something pretty smart. Now, so what you're having a look at the moment is a ICE digital daytime screen. We've got a piece of matte white cloth, typical screen cloth used in millions of screens around the world, hanging on the front. But what you're also seeing is a disturbing colour band, which is only visual through the camera but not to the naked eye, and it's a problem between the video camera that's being used and the colour wheel of the projector. So not a lot we can do about that, but we have taken some photographs and have inserted it into this video so you can actually see more of an accurate estimation of what the human eye can see, but certainly the human eye doesn't see the colour bars. And so as you can see, and I'll just move the camera up quite close now, as you can see, the brightness, there's quite a distinct difference in the brightness. So there's a lot less brightness coming off the matte white screen here, and it's certainly a lot brighter on the rest of the screen. So what we're going to do next is actually place the screen in a lot more light, and we'll see the result then of the two screen types. So here we are actually outside, physically outside. Here's the projector on the stand, and as you can see, a pretty nice day here. So now we've got the screen outside. It's sitting in the shade. The projector we're using is a 5500 NC Lumen Optima projector, and again you can see the colour bars that are being displayed because of the flip cam resolution, the way it's recording and the way it's being affected by the colour wheel on the projector. But if you can ignore that, the colour bands, and also we've inserted some photographs that we've also taken that have given us a far better view, you can see that in actual fact, as I'm standing outside here in the shade, I'm getting what I would say is a very commercially acceptable quality image. I can see all the details, I can see all the colouring, and it looks pretty remarkable. Now what I want to show you is what the same effect looks like on a matte white screen, and we're going to put this over the top so you can actually have a objective view comparing the difference. So as you can now see, you're losing a huge amount of colour, so, and brightness and luminosity. So if I just now come in a lot closer, now what we've also done is taken a light meter reading of what is the light level falling onto the screen plane. And obviously we've made it so that we're not measuring the projector light. It fluctuated between 1300 lux to up to about 1400, so it varied a little bit, but certainly very bright, and certainly brighter than the 43 lux that we had inside the workshop. So we're now outdoors, and as I said earlier, pretty nice day with the screen in the shade. We've found that with the ICE digital daytime screen we can get what I would consider to be a commercially acceptable image and a useful image on our screen using the matte white screen that we've overlaid on top. pretty much wasted. So we're using a 5000 ANSI lumen projector. It's a pretty standard type of projector. You would expect to pay in New Zealand dollars under $4,000 of a projector of that brightness. Now, if we wanted to get the brightness you can see on our digital daytime screen and have that on the matte white screen, then you're going to need to spend in the vicinity of about 50,000 plus New Zealand dollars to get the same brightness on a matte white screen. So that's the huge difference, and cost wise there's no comparison. So I hope you find this video informative, because it could revolutionize the way that you display your content in a large format. The specifications for the screen are throughout the video and on the associated text. Our contact details at the end of the video and also with the associated text. My name's Kevin, known globally as the Magic in the Screen Specialist. I look forward to talking with you when you have your next challenge and you want to be able to display your content in a astounding, fantastic way. Thanks for watching.